Okay, cool. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, I'm getting back into making videos, and I'm going to start out with. I have a problem right now. I am wearing flip flops, and my slipper flip flop is. My flip flop is broken. So I went to the dollar store. Where did I put it? Not the dollar store, the thing I bought at the dollar store. I got a sewing kit. I have never used one of these before in any capacity, so I have no idea what's about to happen. So what kind of color we got? Gray. I suppose gray or, we'll go gray. Those are our only options. Now I, again, have no idea how to do this. I've never done this before, so... Is that the thumb protector? Great. Okay, so I think that was supposed to stay on. Oh, that's a needle. That's a needle. I have... Yeah, we're getting somewhere. We got a needle out of the box. Okay, so I do not know how to sew. I think I've mentioned that already. I need to mention that a million more times. Where'd the needle go? There's the needle. Okay. So I need to get this in there. Come on, camera. Focus. How that little thing is so tiny. How am I supposed to get this through the eye of that needle? Come on. Come on. Grr. How do you do this? How is this done? If I just get that starter thread through... No, it fell out. My hands are getting sweaty. If I can get that thread... And of course we got our super important dollar store sewing kit scissors, which are incapable of cutting thread. Let me get one of my scissors. I'm kind of hoping this will help. I don't know though. 4 minutes in, and I am already at my breaking point. Come on. I can do this. The thread is bigger than the hole on this. Seriously, come on. Ah. Alright, is there a bigger needle? Maybe if I get a bigger needle, it'll have a bigger hole on it? Boom. Is that bigger? That is indeed bigger. Bigger means better all the time. Remember, if it's bigger, it is better. Come on. Come on. You are in. Come on. Go through. Go through. Yes. I'm going to be honest with you, I expected to be done with this video by like 7, and it is now 7:30, so, okay. So now we just do that thing where when you're tying your shoes, you make a little loop, stick it in the hole, and oh god, I almost stabbed myself. This is going swimmingly. Come on. I believe in you. I believe in me. Believe in the you that believes in yourself. Alright, cool. We have a thread and needle. And it only took 2 hours. Now, the shoe. This is a Goodfellow slipper. I believe I got this as a gift from one of my roommates, possibly. I don't remember, but either way, it looks like this came out and this came out the side. I'm pretty sure this is one of those jobs where you're supposed to do it with a sewing machine or something, but I don't have one of those. So we're just going to do this the old-fashioned way. Let's see. Okay, so there's a little strip of cloth here that goes over it. And then there's another strip of cloth down here that it looks like it sews into. So I think what I need to do is stab it into this, and then go back out, then back in, then back out, then back in, then back out, then until we get to the end, and then go in and out and in and out and in and out the other way, and then tie the ends together, I think. Pull them tight, something like that. So we're just gonna... Oh, that went through smooth as butter. And I know something about the smoothness of butter. Come on. Yeah. Oh, the rope just comes through. That's so nice. I mean, how far apart do these loops need? I know there's like probably 1,000,000,001 YouTube tutorials on how to do this. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, is this... That's not good. There's 3 criteria for main channel content, and I don't know if this fits at least 2 of them, which is kind of a requirement. It has to be well edited. It has to have a story. It has to have a joke, like a bit. If it doesn't have at least 2 out of those 3, it is not main channel content. I am really worried that this thread is going to snap. Yeah. All right, I'm going to call this side done, and now we're going to go backwards. I wonder how strong dollar store thread is. Like, is dollar store thread any good? Leave a comment below. Get off me, get off me. I was attacked by my thread. Once upon a time, there was a man named Markus Whipperborg. Okay, so I'm basically at the end here. I have a piece of thread there and a piece of thread there. How do I tie them together and just... I mean, I guess I do. Okay, so we have that knot. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Tighten that down. And now we do it again. For posterity's sake. Do another little loop. Yep, that should be good. You know what? We're going to do like a couple of loops just because I have no idea. I am Captain Confusion right now. I am wholly... I don't know if I'm out of my element. I mean, I feel like I did a pretty good job. I mean, we'll find out in a minute, but... Okay. So now we have it all tied together. Let's snip it that side. Snip it that side. That is not terrible. There's a little bit of a lip right here that's kind of stuck out, but that's fine. Or is it not? Is it okay or is it bad? You know what? This needle here has like 18 inches of extra thread on it, so we're just gonna, oh God, there's thread everywhere. Oh God. String is all up in my business right now. Stab this front part until it dies. Yeah, that's the philosophy I'm going for with all this, is stab it till it dies. Oh God, this is a mess. I lost the needle. Oh no. Okay, so I have 2 ends here, so I'm just going to grab each side and pull. All right, now tie them up. It's really hard to sew when you don't have the needle on the thread, or the thread on the needle. Okay, that is loose as balls. Still a little loose, but all right, we're going to test this guy out. Seems pretty good. A little tighter than the other one, but okay. So yeah, this is good. I was half expecting this to break because it's dollar store thread, and I was seriously expecting to take this guy, chuck it in the vise, and hit it with a bunch of super glue, which I know would work, but still, I'm kind of glad I didn't have to. But what am I going to do for a funny part of the bit now? Because you got to have something funny in a YouTube video, right? I got nothing.